Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Dean in Maryland on the Mirage mx-36hp3 by Ranger. Alright, Dean, got you ready to go, bud. Tune alignment. Let's get right to it. RF power all the way down. Let's go channel 20 here. 25 watt slug. Got you down about a half a watt all the way down. That way, if you decide to run an amp, you got full adjustability. 5 watts all the way up. I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello, 17 and a half, somewhere in there. 50 watt slug peak power. Hello, about 43 PEP out of the dual finals. Roll it all the way down. Hello, same 43 watts PEP. Alright, Dean, this is a really good little radio. Size of a Cobra 29, but with all your bands. Very important 10 kilohertz jump, as everybody calls it. It's very important to a lot of guys that like to talk between some channels. Back in the day, we called them RC channels. But yeah, good little radio. Got your echo there. Got your talkback variable. Definitely a lot for a little bit of money. Dean, I hope you enjoy from your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump bump.